Okie dokie, so today we're doing a sigma problem. It's not too difficult. It looks scary though. So what we're going to be doing is the sum from 1 to 10, and our rule is going to be 6i cubed plus 5i squared minus 6i. Oh, it's 4i cubed. Minus 6i. Oh, that's my arm. Whoops. 6i minus 11. Okay, so this looks scary, but all we're going to do is follow the rules, and we have our rules up here, so it's going to be pretty simple. So let's lay them out, starting with the I cubed. So the rule is n squared times n plus 1 over 4. So we're just going to take the coefficient in front of the I, leave it out in front. N is 10, so it's going to have 10 squared. N plus 1 is 11 squared, so that's 11 squared over 4. Close that parenthesis. Then we're going to add 5 times I squared, taking from this formula right here. I'm going to take a 10 times n plus 1, which is 11, times 2n, which is going to be 20, plus 1 is 21, all over 6. Did I get that right? Yep. And then I'm going to take minus 6, close that parenthesis, minus 6 times the regular I, which is going to be 10 times 11 from this rule up here. 10 and n plus 1 is going to be 11, all over 2. And then plus 11 times 10. So this is my C, my constant coming from there. And that's going to be minus, this minus sign, be careful. And this is my n when I do that. And so that's how you lay out the problem. And so now let's multiply it out. Not too much hard. First I want to reduce, so this 4 and this 4 are going to cancel. Can't do anything with the 6 and the 5. And this 6 and 2 is just going to turn to a 3 on top. So now I'm going to pull out my calculator. 10 squared is 100. Times 11 squared is 121. So 100 times 121 is 12,100 plus, let's see, 10 times 11 times 21. That's going to equal 2,310 times 5 on top, and we get 11,550 over 6. And then we're going to take minus 3 times 10 times 11 on top here. 3 times 10 times 11, 330. And then minus 10 times 11, just to be safe, is 110. So there we go. So now we will add them together. So first I'm going to take this 1150, this 11,550, I'm going to divide it by 6. That gets me 1,925. So I'm going to add that to 12,100. That gets me, so 12,100. Add those two together, minus 330, minus 110. That's going to be minus 440, right? And then this is 14,025. Then I'm going to subtract 440. And that's going to be 13,800, or excuse me, 13,585. And so that's how you'd work through that sigma problem. Just use the numbers, fill in the formulas, and then work the math down. Pretty simple. Hope that was helpful.